What's up guys, more chaser content. So it runs, it makes power, it drifts. Time to start making it look good. And of course I started out, you guys, as you can see. I painted the core support today because cameraman wasn't here, but he's here now and just in time for us to start putting on the body kit. So what we're gonna do is try to finish the front today. If we have enough time, we'll move on to the side skirts and the rear. Yeah, so as I was saying, we're gonna try to do the front first and then we'll move to the rear. This is the Origin Labs aggressive line with front and rear overs. I think we showed them to them before, right? We showed them to them before. So we got all the space that we need here for the FDF, right? That we're gonna put on this car because this car is gonna end up having FDF also. So yeah, the big stuff. This one I did already. I kind of mock it up, so this one could kind of just go on. All we gotta do is trim in here, and then we gotta do the other side. But it's real tedious. Like, I wouldn't say it doesn't fit good. It's just you gotta make sure you drill the holes properly and shim it to the right spot, and you should be good. So let's go. We'll have a front end by the end of today. I should cut this first, huh? I'll go on there.
Yes, good idea.
Oh, not cut it on the car?
Nah, you should probably cut it while you have room.
I feel like I should cut it on the car. Alright, so we have a front end. We still got a little bit of gap between the lights and stuff. We gotta make a couple brackets here and there, but the front fenders are pretty much fitted and on, and the front bumper's fitted and on. We're gonna move on to the side skirts now. I don't know if we're gonna get to the rear, but we're gonna try to, but it looks good. The only thing I don't like is we put the car down. I can still put my foot under the bumper, you know? So, it is what it is. I guess the Chase is gonna be higher than Hot Boy. No Hot Boy 2. Alright guys, putting on a body kit, as you can see, it's pretty much like a torture, but it's a good time and a bad time at the same time. But as you know, all body kits don't fit perfect, so there's a lot of trimming, taking on, putting on, you know, just repetitively over and over. So obviously we're not going to bore you guys with that. I'm going to go ahead and knock out the other side, and tomorrow we'll catch back up with you guys with the rear. right, guys, kit's basically on. Everything's fitted. Obviously, there's still more trimming and, you know, cutting and stuff to make it perfect like I wanted to. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Next video, hopefully we can get into start prepping it for paint. Color isn't decided yet, but you know, we got a few things in mind. So we'll see what happens, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope it had a lot of info for you, which it didn't. Nah. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you like all the content that you bringing to you guys and the consistency. So keep commenting, keep sharing with your friends and your families and, you know, your pets and stuff. All right. See you in the next video. I'm tired.